Updates, yeah. Oh yeah, baby, see how it's a go. Sangalo is a go. Shano is a go. Escobar is a go. Toros is a go. Naira Marley is a go. Olo show is a go.
Okay guys, pat on my hair. I know I look a little bit crazy. My hair is everywhere, but that's the whole point of the tutorial. We're gonna, fix this confusion right here, okay? You're gonna need a few items. You're gonna be needing some hair cream or some hair conditioner or some hair oil, whatever you decide or whatever you normally use for your hair. I'm gonna be using this castor oil hair and scalp conditioner. This one's from ISOPLUS. I got this from Walmart and it does have a few oils in it. It has castor oil, coconut oil, and essence oil. It does a really good job in regards to, keeping my hair nice and moisturized. I have washed and conditioned my hair and let it air dry. I'm just gonna, pack on the product. So now that that's all combed, so I think this is exactly what I want. I just want it, it's like, I'm not sure if you can see, kind of like a fish shape. I don't know. I'm just going to do a braid in front. Okay, and I'm going to braid this all the way. So you can see. Nothing has to be perfect. I'm just going to comb my hair in the direction I want the bun to go. I think this is good enough. It looks a little bit wonky, but we're gonna gel this bitch into perfection, okay? And you're gonna need a band. I'm just gonna pack that all up nice and tight. Just gonna divide that into 3. I'm just gonna braid that together. There you go, that's it. That's a hairstyle for today. JK. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some gel. I have some, what's this one? ISOPLUS. Ooh, I feel like I've been doing a few reps out already. I'm gonna use my ISOPLUS Styling Gel. I don't exactly like to use this one because it kind of stains your sheets. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit. So I'm gonna take my got2b glue. I'm gonna get some, and I'm just gonna smear this all over my hair as well. This is messy. This is like a lazy girl's guide to a ponytail. Okay, and now you're gonna get an old toothbrush. I'm gonna first sweep up this one. This baby's hair situation is a little bit embarrassing. I'm just gonna keep playing with it until I get somewhere, which usually is nowhere, but we just gotta try. So I'm gonna tuck in this part of my weaved hair. Just gonna tuck it into my band. Okay, we're just gonna let the baby hair sit for now. We're gonna get back into that situation later. I got these extensions. It's not so long. I wish it were a little bit longer, but it's not. It's about 10 inches. That's okay. Okay guys, to kind of save time, I'm gonna double up the weave and I'm just gonna sew this right around my hair. I'm just placing it around the weaving that I have. I'm just in the needle and thread, and I'm just going to sew this through. Then I'm going to wrap this around. I'm just going to chop this off and we're done. You don't really have to sew each and every step of the way. I kind of like wrap it around 3 times and then I sew it up in a few places just to kind of get some hold onto it. It doesn't really need to be anything too crazy or over sewn. I'm just going to go over it one more time with a band. I'm going to take 2 strands at the back again. Just going to be really secure. I'm just going to take this over, bring this through. I'm just going to try and give it a few curls here and there, just to kind of like, you know, add on to the volume, because I feel like it's very light, like very, very light. So I tried to curl these extensions as much as I possibly could, but it doesn't seem like they can actually hold a curl. So much for 100% human hair. I'm just gonna finish it up with some hairspray. I'm using my Garnier Fruit Juice Extreme Finishing Spray. I love how repetitive these names are. I'm just gonna spray this. If you really want it to last a little longer, or if you want the gel a little more, how do I put it? If you want to hold a little more extreme, you can totally just go on with the Got2b glue and it's gonna be like stuck. I tried using it before and I just felt like it was a little bit unnatural. I didn't feel like I could move my head. Well, I could move my head, but it just felt a little bit, you know, restricted, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so anyways, that's pretty much it for this hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've been trying it out. Until my next video, thank you so much for watching. If you aren't already subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.
Nigeria is a go. Okadimos is a go. Imaka is a go.